pile of hard white jackfruit cores is being collected into a byproduct bin, which will be dried for animal feed or organic fertilizer.
Jackfruit seeds can be boiled, roasted, or ground into flour, a valuable byproduct.
This is why young jackfruit is called the perfect vegetable pork.
The conveyor belt guides the jackfruit fibers into the second washing tank, 4 degrees Celsius cold water with
The king fruit indeed.
Look at the color inside, absolutely perfect.
Wow, look at that!
Incredible, you did it.
Monitor the temperature spikes on the west conveyor.
Acknowledged. Regulating now.
Still much work to be done.
The texture is perfect today.
Yes, the spice level is much better than yesterday's batch. We can approve this. Giống thịt thiệt. Ngon hả?
4.2 degrees Celsius, meeting the standard.
The salinity and sweetness are well balanced. Approved.
Seasoned jackfruit fibers are pumped into the steam kettle through the inlet pipe. The loading capacity is 800 kgs per kettle.
The pot lid closes. The steam system begins heating from the outer jacket. The temperature gradually rises.
Tugasan.
Focusing on marketing diversification, we've broken down the flavor profiles. BBQ offers rich, smoky, sweet notes. BBQ jackfruit strips hang on the mesh tray in the smokehouse, surrounded by smoke which penetrates each strand.
Confirmed. The jackfruit fiber is consistent across all samples.
The water activity meter is an important parameter for preservation. The machine displays 0.92, meaning it needs more preservatives or airtight packaging. The can passes through the water cooling system, where cold water sprays down, rapidly cooling the can from one.
Diverse formats serve every market segment.
Alarm Fortin, underweight product.
Okay, I'm checking the calibration now.
Batch 47 is steady, but keep an eye on the feeder on line 3. The data's updated.
Okay, team, focus on efficiency and safety. Let's have a productive night.
As you can see on the board, our target production for tonight is 15,000 pounds. Remember the priority orders.
%98% is excellent. Well done, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
The temperature-controlled retention sample cabinet holds hundreds of product samples from each batch, in cans and bags.
The jackfruit fiber maintains a beautiful BBQ brown color. The fibrous texture is intact. Tasting it,
As shown on the force distance graph, the jackfruit fiber provides a favorable comparison to the real pork sample in terms of shear force and elasticity.
kết quả texture analysis, độ dai 85% so với pulled pork thật, độ xơ tương đương, cảm giác nhai giống
This is incredible. I honestly cannot tell the difference between this and real meat. The texture is absolutely spot on.
Blind test results. 6/8 panelists could not distinguish between jackfruit and real pulled pork when fully seasoned. This is a great success for R&D.
Everything appears to be in order. The compliance level is very satisfactory.
All green across Europe and the US.
We have a slight delay reported in the Korea sector, investigating now.
We have the invoice and packing list. Did you clear the phytosanitary certificate?
Yes, finalize the FDA notice too. We are good to go.